On today's model corner, we're looking at the Gemini Jets LL Israel Air Boeing 737-900ER piece in 1/400 scale. As you can see, the pieces for this model represents the 737-900ER that flew the first scheduled flight ever between Israel and the United Arab Emirates, which occurred on the 31st of August 2020, opening peace between the two countries. As you can see, we've got an image of the plane found inside, the model of the plane, and the airline it flew with. On the back, we have another image of the plane, again, identical to what's found inside, and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, we can open it up, you can see the plane in there. So if you want to have it on display without taking it out, you can. And we have some information about the Boeing 737-900ER. Of course, the ER stands for extended range. We have some specification information such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches, and there's some other information you might like to know like range, cruising speed, and things of that nature. But let's open it up and have a look at the model inside. So it comes packaged in 2 pieces of plastic. Just take them apart, that's on. And this is a die-cast metal plane, so it's quite sturdy, but it may have some more delicate pieces, so please handle it with care. There you have it, the Boeing 737, and all its wonderful detail. You can see we have the LL livery on it. You see we've got a little Israel flag. A registration here of 4X EHD. Again, on the vertical stabilizer, again, we've got another logo. You can see on the inside of the wingtips, we have logos as well. Of course, as well, very nice detailed wingtips. Just staying on the wing, you can see the flaps, the ailerons, just tons of detail on those wings. Got very nice jet engines, very nice detailed landing gear. Underneath, we've got another registration, little Gemini Jets logo, and space for a stand. Looking at the stabilizers, in the vertical, you can see the rudders and the elevators. Here we've got a little Boeing 737-900ER, the make of the plane. Very nice at the cockpit. Let's turn the model around and see the other side. And again, you can still see the livery on it. So overall, it's very nice, very detailed plane. Has a length of about 10.5 centimeters and a wingspan of about 8.9 centimeters. It's a very nice sized, highly detailed die-cast model plane. And overall, it's a very, very nice model. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.